I want to talk about data wins and data losses. And we hear from experts like you all the time about ways that data affects business. And it's two ways. It's either a really positive thing where you're like, here's this data point, and this data point was the driver for this conversation led to this meeting led to this close. And we see lines like that all the time. And the opposite side is where data fails you. So let's start with a win. Tell me a time where you had a data win that led you to success.
Yeah, I actually have an instance that I work in that we had a couple of really great wins from the sales side that we were interested in seeing where those people came from, what that sort of journey looked like, and how we could bring all of that stuff together. Mm-hmm. And through a combination of data points, we were able to look at the entire journey for the opportunity for that account and actually look all the way back to the original point where someone came in from a Google search.
From a natural search.
Right. Yeah. Just a natural, organic Google search.
Yeah.
But from there, we could see not only that person's touch points, where he downloaded a piece of content, where he attended a webinar, and then you'd start to see other people from the company appear in the instance, where they went on and registered for a webinar. And then they all attended a trade show together. And then you see an opportunity open for $1.1 million. We see two more touch points along the way, a few more people appear in there, a second opportunity. And then you see those two close at the end together for $1.4 million.
Wow.
And we were able to take each of the people who were a part of that opportunity, who had a contact role in that opportunity, and put all of their different touch points together and say, this was the journey that got us from a Google search to $1.4 million, which was pretty awesome. And we did that on a couple of different accounts. That was kind of the biggest deal size.
That's pretty incredible.
But definitely one of those where it's like, okay, that's a great set of data points to look at there. And